We've just solved this equation by completing the square. So like all quadratics, our first step is to create an equation which is equal to 0. So I take 3 from both sides. Now when we want to put something into completing the square form, what we do is we put inside the brackets x and half the coefficient of x. So in this case, coefficient of x is -8, so half of that is 4, and that's what will go inside the squared part of the bracket. Now obviously we hadn't got a -4 squared before, so we've got to take away from that -4 squared, and we still have the -3. And that method of completing the square is always what you do. When you've got 1x squared, you half the number of x coefficient, and that goes inside the bracket, and you take away that number squared as well. So if we simplify that, we get x -4 all squared minus 16. Now be careful, -4 squared is 16, so it's -16. -3 is 0. So we've now x -4 all squared minus 19 equals 0. Now it's an easy form to solve. What we do is we bring the 19 to the other side. Now we take the square root, remembering that it can be positive or negative. And then last we rearrange for x. So x is equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of 19. Now you always check, does that have any factors that are a square root, but 19 is a prime number, so we don't need to worry this time. So that's question 2.